Keeping an eye out for thunderstorms late tonight, which could bring some heavy rainfall with them. The risks for severe flooding and severe weather in general are pretty low. Can't completely rule it out, but we should have just a lot of rain coming through during those overnight hours. Then tomorrow, fairly dry. It's just the hot weather's sticking around. Could be up to 100 with the heat index, so take it easy in the heat. And then looking at another round of strong, this time possibly severe thunderstorms going into tomorrow night. So first up, exact track radar showing just a few areas of rain forming now near Rockford, as well as north of Madison and near Des Moines, Iowa. All of these spots may be just the first little signs of those thunderstorms getting going. In general, probably won't hear the loud rumbles until after about 1 in the morning. May last as late as 5. A slight chance for isolated flash flooding. Otherwise, just a lot of rain and some strong wind gusts possible during those overnight hours. So here's future track. You can see future track just a little ahead of what we're seeing on radar currently, but it does show those areas of heavy rain and possibly some strong winds sweeping through late overnight. A lot of that is exiting by sunrise, but still have a way to get a severe weather alert like the 13 Weather Authority app just in case you need it late overnight. And then, like I said, we're dry tomorrow, but very hot and humid. Feels like 100 with the humidity. The worst of that heat coming between noon and 8 o'clock, so just make sure you're finding ways to stay cool and stay out of that heat as much as possible. And if you are going to be out in it, just take it easy during that hot weather, which is near 90 for the high temperature, near 100 with the heat index. And look how fast it ramps up through the morning, quickly going from the 70s to the 80s and then nearly to 90s as we go throughout the afternoon. So be careful with that heat. All of that heat and humidity setting us up for strong, possibly severe thunderstorms after 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Damaging winds will be the main threat, as well as some soaking rainfall and small hail. If you're heading into central Wisconsin, be aware multiple severe storms possible on that end of the Midwest. And as those storms approach, they look to weaken a little, but still, again, could get some heavy rain and some strong winds to come through after 7 o'clock, possibly lasting as late as midnight. A few extra raindrops possibly sticking around into Sunday morning. By that point, we're cooling off. We're starting to settle down into early next week. Low 80s, possibly even the upper 70s for a while after a somewhat rainy Wednesday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we'll stay on the cooler end, so to speak, throughout the end of July. In fact, may not see temperatures back to near 90 until August at the earliest, once we get beyond tomorrow. In the meantime, the 4-degree guarantee off by 2 today, but that's still right what's on that dartboard, as you can see. So as a result, we round out the week with a cash total of 65. Hope to keep that going next week, Brittany.
All right, more money in the bank for us, Alex. Thanks.